I gotta have you. Come here.
Honey.
Do me a favor. Make sure you subscribe to my channel before we get started. That's it. Baby, you don't pay me no mind. You act like you don't love me no more. If you're not happy, then you're free to go on. 'Cause I don't want you staying around if I make you so miserable. If you don't want me, then don't talk to me. What? Go ahead and free yourself. You don't want me, then don't talk to me, baby. Oh, I can't breathe either. Go ahead to someone else, yeah. Hey cuties, it's Chatney B here. I got a new cut. I got a new color. So I'm coming to you with this little cutie patootie right here. So if you're interested, stay tuned. Because I can't see y'all. Listen, I'm going to apologize up front. I don't feel good. I'm coughing up a storm. I sound almost like a man. I'm congested. But I'm trying to do these videos because she's pretty. And although I feel bad, it does not give me an excuse to look bad. So just bear with me. I'm going to get these videos out to you as best as I can. So let's go ahead and get into this video. Hey ladies, it's Chatney B here, and I'm coming to you with this sassy little unit here. I'm going to read off the stock card so we can get into the video. So this is Sassy Razor Chic, high heat up to 400 degrees. It's Remy fiber. The color that I have is bronze, and her name is Sassy RC H Ginger, and I will make sure I post that information down below. This wig was sent to me by Zury Sis, so I appreciate this switch up do here. They do have a multitude of colors. Y'all know how I do it. I've already given you the information off the stock card. I'm going to do a close-up, and then we will meet each other back here at the end of the video. So let's go. I'm gonna try not to get too close to you so I don't make you see. Here is the stock card. The color that she has on is really pretty as well. Listen, this is the easiest wig you could ever purchase in your whole entire life, okay? These type of short wigs are just like hats, literally. Put them bad boys on and go on out the door, and you don't have to worry about sweating. You don't have to worry about plucking no part. You don't have to worry about really too much of customization because it's already pretty much done for you. You just kind of play around with the curls how you want it to go into your face, or if you don't want it to go in your face, you can move it and groove it and all that other stuff that you want to do. But this video is going to be pretty short because of the fact that this wig is speaking for itself, and I really didn't have to do any work. Listen, I'm just trying to put a look together for y'all. So when I have short hair, I do put on my oversized glasses because it's a look. This is the color bronze. This bad boy is pretty. I love the highlights and the low lights. I love the brown color, and the play is super gorgeous. It's going all the way around the hair. And I really like the kind of wave, messy type of curly look that's in my face. I do like the bang that's going on here. To me, I'll wear it like this, or I'll wear it really messy. I think with these shortcuts, you can't go wrong with however you wear these. Like, it could be messy, you could do it however you want to do it, but for today with my oversized glasses, this is the way that I want to wear it because I love the whole bang play, and I really do want to show the play on the color. So as you can see, I just threw it on. Let's get into the construction of the cap. There is 2 combs right here in the front. There is 1 comb in the back, and there is adjustable straps. It is big head friendly. It's not too tight. It's not squeezing my head whatsoever. I didn't have any problems with putting this wig on my head, and I actually just put it on like a hat, and it just, you know, sit on down there. The back is not raising up whatsoever, so it is fitting me comfortably, and I do feel very secure in this wig that if I want to, you know, do all my neck rolls and whatever, it's not gonna fly off. It feels very, very secure. And I have a wig cap up under this, honey, and it's still cute. All right, so like I said, it's gonna be an easy, quick video. I just really want to show you the colors in it, and let's go ahead and take this bad boy on back, because like, how simple can you get with a shortcut? For you all that don't really like all that hair down your neck, and for those of you all who are preparing for spring and summer and we need some new looks and we need some shortcuts, like, I'm gonna bring it out to you, sis, so just stay tuned, okay? All right, so that quick, we're back on the back. So again, here is the full length. If you want to see how it looks on me, I'm not going to stand up because you're not going to be able to see the wig. I am 5'4". That really doesn't matter when it comes down to this wig here. So let's go ahead and do a roundabout for the girls. So this is the side. Here is the back. I don't know if it's messed up back there, baby. I can't see. Here is the side. Here is the front. Yeah, so basically this is it. I love this color. I love the length of it. I love me some bangs, especially since I got a big head. I love me some bangs. I love when I can bring out my oversized glasses with a unit that's not going to overpower or look crazy. Like, it's literally a whole look. If I want to throw a hat on, I can do that, which I will show you in just a second. All right, so just for you guys, I decided to put a hat on so you can see how it looks with a hat. So, see, you can put a hat on and accessorize, like, it's a whole look. But anytime I do a short wig like this, I like to throw on my big rim hat and kind of rock it like that. But she's very comfortable. She is kind of coarse, but she's not itching my head or anything like that. It's not too thick. It's a regular, simple, feathered out, short haircut. That's exactly what it is. But I will tell you, my favorite is the color. My favorite is the color. And so if you're interested in these type of wigs and short bangs and feathered bangs and you know, something that's going to be different as far as color and style from the usual long, this is a bad boy to get. Okay, so go get this wig. I like it. I'm going to wear it, and I do like these type of wigs because it fits all ages. It fits all ages. It fits all colors. If it's whoever that want to put it on, it's gonna be cute on you. So that is all for this video. Thanks so much, Zury Sis, for sending me this wig. I thoroughly will make sure I wear this wig out like it is a hat, because the spring and summer is coming up and I have all types of different looks that will go with this hair. If you're interested in this hair, like I said, I will make sure I put that down below. In the meantime, be sure to subscribe to my channel. Make sure you turn on the notification bell so you're aware of all the new things that I have in store for you guys. Tag me on Instagram if you have this hair, if you like this hair, if you don't like this hair. Do you have it? What color do you have it in? Y'all already know what I'm gonna ask, so make sure that y'all put that down in the comment section down below. Follow me on Instagram at @BeReal_ChatneyB, which will be located down here somewhere. Talk to your girl because I talk back. Also, it's my birthday month, guys, so do me the biggest birthday favor. I am trying to get to 3,000 subscribers so we can get to 5,000 subscribers. But right now, currently, for my birthday month, I'm asking for you all to subscribe to my channel so we can get up to 3,000 subscribers. That will be an awesome birthday present. So thanks so much in advance for making that happen, because I know that Y'all know I love you and you love me, so you're gonna make it happen. I already know. So let's push for that 3,000 so we can start these good old giveaways. In the meantime, in between time, make sure you take care of yourself. I know I sound like crap right now and I know I'm sick, but I am working to get better. So take care of yourself. Pinky promise, I'll do the same. I love you. I love you. Let me know if you go get this wig.